Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and family members. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I want to share my 4-year journey with you and the real reasons why I couldn't achieve success on YouTube until now. My struggle started back in 2023 when I created my very first channel.
I used to upload long-form content, but the views were extremely low. Since I have an MPhil in mathematics, I built my channel around math education, creating videos for 9th and 10th grade students. It took an overwhelming amount of effort, solving problems on a whiteboard, shooting the footage and editing it only to get almost no views. I tried uploading shorts as well, but even those failed to meet the monetization criteria. Eventually, I abandoned that channel. In November 2024, I decided to give it another shot and created my second math channel. But I could never complete the required watch time. Managing my time was extremely tough because I was balancing a full-time job alongside raising 3 young children. Many people tried to demotivate me along the way, but I kept pushing through. However, burnout finally got the best of me, and I had to leave that channel behind as well. Hearing people's constant criticism left me completely demotivated, and I decided to quit YouTube altogether. Then one day, my younger brother stepped in to help. He suggested I create a Russian story channel. In February 2026, I launched that channel, starting anew generated images, voiceovers, and editing. Within just 2 months, I completed the full watch time requirement, but my subscriber count reached only 200. I waited for another 2 months, and eventually ended up buying subscribers, which turned out to be a huge mistake. Because of that, the channel is still not monetized. It has been stuck in review for almost 2 weeks now. While my AdSense was approved, step 3 of monetization remains incomplete. After all this hard work and struggle, I thought, why not revive my old channel and try something different? So today I uploaded this new kind of video to share how I gathered the courage to keep going and refuse to give up. You shouldn't give up either. Just keep working hard. Now I have gained enough knowledge that I truly feel I can help you. I can help you. So, what happened next? Inshallah, share in my next video whether my channel got monetized or not. If you want to build a successful YouTube channel without making the same mistakes, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will teach you for free how to create content using modern tools, share real-life lessons, and guide you on what mistakes to avoid. If you want honest guidance and practical tutorials on modern content tools, hit subscribe. I will teach you step-by-step how to create professional videos for free using smart AI tools. Together, we will build sustainable channels based on real skills, hard work, and consistency. Remember, your current struggle is just preparing you for your biggest future victory. Thank you so much for listening to my story and supporting this new beginning. Until the next video, keep believing in yourself, take care, and Allah Hafiz.